Hi, this is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing working on this baby album, and in today's video, I'm going to be decorating, and I'm going to be doing what I've been doing with commissions, which is decorating off screen because it takes me forever. But I'm going to do a quick overview of what I have to work with. I have some cut aparts here. I have this, which has to be cleaned before I put it on. It's dirty already. It's just such a mess in here. I have these little 1 month, 5 month, 12 month, 2 month things. Some stickers. As I said in part 1, if you saw part 1, I am splitting this collection between somebody else who wanted a baby album because paper be expensive these days. Expensive. And I think $14.99. And also this collection, there were 2 papers, doubles of every page, and that meant there were doubles of this page that had these 1 month, 2 month, 10 month, and you don't need doubles of that. So I thought it best to split the collection, and for what I had in mind for both of these albums, you didn't need that much decorative paper. So also recap, this is the collection. Our baby, the like boho-ish collection, very gender neutral, from ECHO. You know, I can't say that word. It's my Amazon device wake word, from that brand. Okay. I also, you see my Cricut mat here. I cut out some words. You can't see it. I mean, you can probably just see the outline. I'm not taking them off my mat until I need them, because I'll then lose the words. And we'll do a quick little flip through. Here's the cover, and I have plain papers. I have these half sheets. My plan is to draw lines and use the words that are on this mat. And I did put the bigger cutouts in here so I didn't lose the bigger cutouts. And so they flattened out. They got a little curled up for some reason. So my plan is to do lines and stories and milestones on one side. Okay, so that's what we have so far. All right, so now I'm going to pause and decorate. But as you all know, it'll be hours before I'm back. But with the magic of the YouTube, it will be a split second. Okay, so we're back with this album, and I know I said I was going to decorate the cover with you guys, but honestly, I have the most horrendous migraine, and I just want to be done with this album and pass it off to my friend so she can give it to her friend at her baby shower this upcoming weekend. And I just found a letter. Sorry. Yeah. So here we go. I used 3 little stickers and some hemp twine, and the photo can get slipped in. That's right. I stamped the word slip here, and I just hand wrote the size of the photo. Okay. Opens up, and all of these photo can be slipped underneath. It says brand new. I just thought that was so cute. Brand new baby. And then these are 4x6. These are 3x4. And then some lines for some journaling. And then here on these, they are, I don't remember. I'm sorry. I have a really bad migraine. And then, yes, there's a glare here. I have a really bad migraine. I believe it is 3x8. Right? This is 6x8. I'll have all the dimensions down below. But this is half of whatever this size is. So, 3x8, I'm guessing. Also, all of these words here were cut out with my Cricut, and I hand glued every single letter down. It took me 4 hours. Okay. So, and each page, there are 13 of them. It says stories on one side, milestones on the other. And we have different spots. Here's 1 month. So there's room for a photo on the front here, 1 month, and some little stuff here. On the back, 2 photos. I was going to put stickers here and stuff, but I thought maybe they'd have some ephemera. By ephemera, I mean, little things. It's been a long time since I've had a baby. My son's 20. I don't remember the kind of stuff he had, but they could add other little photos, so I didn't want to clutter it up too much. To me, it's all about the pictures of the baby. That's really what it is to me. I didn't want to add too many stickers and fight the photo of the baby. You know what I mean? But yep, all of these you can tuck the photo underneath. So I just added a few little stickers and stuff. That's it. So stories, milestones. There might be a little sticker here or there. Here's the 3-month. Room for more photos. 4-month. Stick the photo here. Just some little things. Our baby. Stories. Maybe a little thing here or there. 5-month. 6-month. My sunshine. Stories, milestones. 7-month. And then, like I said, everything has access, the tops. Like I said, these are the simple stories photo sleeves. They're for the, I don't know, I just look up the simple stories. I got my packs on Amazon. You can get them on scrapbook.com. I'm sure Simon Says Stamp. All those places have them. But I got mine on Amazon because I needed it quickly. Some stories and milestones again. 8 months. Look at that little lion. How cute is that little lion? He's so cute. Some more stories and milestones. Look at the little baby bottle. 9 months. The little feetsies. Come on. And then, like I said, you can slip the photo under here. 10 months, little teddy bear. You Are Magic, little safety pin. 11 months. Here it's only a little bit taped down so you can access this part to get to the back photo. Now if it was me, after the 11 months was over, I would glue this down then. But you want to be able to access the back. Stories. Oh, look at the little socks. Do you remember when they're so tiny? When they're such a tiny little socks. 12 months. Little giraffe. Hello baby. Stories, like a little hat. And then the milestone and the back. And that is it. I didn't want to go too crazy. I really didn't. It's about the baby pictures. It's about the baby pictures. It's about the stories. I could have went crazy. But if you've been here for any amount of time, you know I don't like to go crazy with the stickers and stuff. But I thought the little bit of accents, like this, yes, right when, you know, brand new baby. I figured a picture of mom, dad, baby right here. Nice to meet you, special delivery is a good little picture right here. Or, you know what? I believe baby has an older sister. So picture of older sis, baby brother right here would be adorable. Right here, mom, dad, baby. Right here, baby. That's how I would do it. And then stories and milestones. I just think this is how I pictured it. It came out how I pictured it. I absolutely adore it. I really do. I absolutely adore it. And I hope that my friend likes it as much as I do. And I hope that her friend loves it as much as I do. And it's just like the little stickers, the little things, the little touches. To me, that's what means the most. It's not on everything. They're not everywhere. It's when you're writing and you run into the little things. That's what I like the most. And it holds different size photos. 4x6, 3x4. So you have different size photos. And I mean, and you can add more. You can add more photos in here. You literally could. Stories here. You can have photos on here. If you don't have any stories or milestones that month, add more photos. This whole front and back is a blank canvas. That came out really weird. Add more photos there too. Do what you will. Just a little simple. Look at that little ducky and little overalls. Ugh. Man. Somebody needs to have a baby that I can just babysit and then send home. I don't want one of my own. I'm too old. Let me know down below. What do you guys think of this? I love this collection. Love it. I love it. I love the whole... Oh my god. I have such a bad headache. I cannot think. I can't think of what it's called. You guys know what it's called, right? My head is pounding. And I still have to vacuum my floor and clean everything up. My head hurts so bad I can't think what it's called. Gender neutral. Gender neutral. I love the gender neutral of it all. And if I could go back in time, this plaid right here is what my kid's bedroom would look like. Though he had Winnie the Pooh and it was green. His room was green and he had Winnie the Pooh. So I was also very gender neutral for him. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know. What do you think of this collection? It's freaking adorable, right? And please like, subscribe. You know, all the fun things. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, have a great day. Thanks for joining me today.